Hi there all, this should be my second separator funnel. This one looks like it's probably intact because they put it in a box. That's how my first one should have been on. And plus it's got fragile written on it for the couriers to know. So, to solve any problems, I'll do a live unboxing. That way they can't say I broke it or anything, because I'm opening it on camera. This one was a bit dearer, $20 dearer, so it was $47. Yeah, at least I put some foam. Ah yes, it's intact, and this one also has a stop cock. Or where the other one said they did, but they didn't. It looks like it's actually a better quality. It doesn't have that big thing at the bottom. We just have an O-ring there, which is weird, but hopefully it works. It should work. I'm gonna go test that out now. So I'll put some water in it. So, yay, I finally got one which isn't broken. Alright, I'll be back when I fill it up. Okay, so looks like it's working. I can adjust it so it drips a bit less. Okay, back in action with one I don't have to monitor and poke a bit of wire down the centre of it. Alright, that's done.